Hi, this is The King, and you're watching Elite Finance King. Welcome to the Pride. Let's get into it. Today, let us tackle more essential aspects of the exciting world of stock market investment. You love this topic, I know. But hold up, wealth builders. It's quite a wild ride out there, and I've seen so many people jumping into the stock market without a grasp of the basics. But don't worry, I'm always here to guide you. So, without further ado, come and join your king and let's get started. First things first, as your king did not tackle this in our first video about stocks, let's get comfortable with some stock market jargon. Wealth builders, it is a must to understand these unfamiliar terms because I know for a fact that they will give you a solid foundation in stock market investing. Okay, the first unfamiliar term is market capitalization. Wealth builders, as beginner stock investors, understanding market capitalization is very crucial. Market capitalization refers to the total value of a company's outstanding shares of stock. It reflects the size and financial status of a company. Understanding market capitalization can help you choose stocks that align with your investment goals and risk tolerance. That's great, isn't it? Now, the second term is dividend yield. When it comes to investing in stocks, another key concept to understand is dividend yield. Wealth builders, dividend yield is calculated by dividing the annual dividend payment made by a company by its current stock price. It's an important metric for beginner investors as it indicates the income potential of a stock. The higher the dividend yield, the greater the opportunity to boost your wealth effortlessly. As a beginner investor, your king here agrees that this term will really empower you to make savvy investment decisions that can pave the way for a prosperous financial future. Lastly, another unfamiliar term that will surely help you as a beginner is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio helps assess a stock's valuation by comparing its price per share to its earnings per share. Understanding this term is crucial because it enables you to make informed decisions when choosing which stocks to invest in. As your king, I want you to remember to consider the PE ratio when evaluating stocks, as it provides valuable insights into their potential value and it is truly a game changer. Now, let us say you are now well informed about what the stock market is and familiar with the terms. Well, this is the time to decide the amount of your first investment. As a beginner in the stock market, it's important to determine the right investment amount for you. In this year, 2023, take a close look at your financial situation and set a budget specifically for your investments. It's crucial to never invest money that you can't afford to lose. Starting small and dipping your toes into the market with a conservative investment amount is a very good idea, I must say. This allows you to get a feel for the market and build confidence as you navigate the world of stocks. Now, wealth builders, as time goes by and as you gain experience and see positive results, you can gradually increase your investment amount. By doing so, you can take advantage of potential growth opportunities and maximize your returns. However, listen carefully to your king. Always remember to stay within your means and avoid overextending yourself financially. The key is to find a middle ground between risk and reward, ensuring that your investments align with your financial goals and overall investment strategy. Now that you have knowledge of how much money you can invest, you might ask, King, what kind of stock should I invest in? Well, don't worry, wealth builders. I foresaw that you would ask that. So, here are the 3 best beginner-friendly stocks you can invest in. But, disclaimer, this video is not sponsored by any of these 3. Let us start with stock number 1, Apple Inc. Wealth builders, when it comes to beginner-friendly stocks, Apple Inc. is often a popular choice. Why? because it is a tech giant with a history of steady growth, making it easy to see why many investors are drawn to Apple. Apple is known for its innovative products and services, ranging from iPhones and iPads to the App Store and Apple Music. Their dedicated customer base has helped the company achieve consistent revenue growth, and their commitment to research and development ensures that they are constantly offering new and exciting products. Another reason why Apple is considered by your king as a great beginner-friendly stock is that it is a blue-chip company with a strong financial position. This means the company is financially stable and has a good track record of weathering market downturns. Its stock is also reasonably priced, making it accessible for new investors who may have limited funds to invest. Ultimately, Apple offers a solid investment opportunity for beginners seeking low-risk, stable returns. Your king here gives 2 thumbs up for this stock. Next up, we have stock number 2, Johnson & Johnson. And this is also an excellent choice, wealth builders. Known for its stability, Johnson & Johnson is a healthcare company suited for those seeking a low-risk investment option. Johnson & Johnson has a diverse product portfolio, which ranges from pharmaceuticals to consumer healthcare products and medical devices. This diversification helps mitigate risks and provides a steady stream of revenue for the company. Additionally, the healthcare industry tends to remain resilient even during economic downturns, making this stock a stable investment option. Like Apple Inc., Johnson & Johnson also demonstrates a strong commitment to research and development, enabling the company to innovate and introduce new products, ensuring its position in the market for years to come. As a beginner-friendly stock, Johnson & Johnson provides the opportunity to invest in a reputable and well-established company within a stable industry. Its consistent track record, diversified product portfolio, and potential for dividends have led your king here to include it as another ideal choice for those looking for a safe investment option to start their journey into the stock market. But before we move on to our last beginner-friendly stock, here's a thought-provoking question for you. What stock market term or concept has been the most challenging for you as a beginner? Let us know in the comments below. Who knows, your king might be able to help you gain a better understanding of it. Now, let's get back to the video. For our last beginner-friendly stock, I know that almost all of you know this. Amazon. Yes, the one and only Amazon, often hailed as the titan of e-commerce, stands tall as one of the finest options for beginners venturing into the world of stock investments. This behemoth of a company, founded by Jeff Bezos, have consistently demonstrated its immense growth potential over the years. With a diversified business model, Amazon has carved out a dominant position not only in online retail, but also in cloud computing, entertainment streaming, and more. Furthermore, Amazon's customer-centric approach and commitment to innovation have contributed to its remarkable success. By continuously improving its services, such as one-day delivery and Prime membership benefits, Amazon has solidified customer loyalty and gained a competitive edge. So, it only means that investing in Amazon offers beginners a relatively stable and promising choice. The company's ability to adapt to changing market conditions, its vast customer base, and its continuous innovation make it a resilient stock capable of weathering economic storms. For beginners seeking a reliable introduction to stock market investing, Amazon shines as a beacon of opportunity, reflecting the power of a long-term growth and the rewards of investing in a household name. All in all, wealth builders, understanding the basics of the stock market is of paramount importance for beginners starting their investment journey. Gaining knowledge about different investment strategies and learning how to interpret financial statements empowers individuals to make sound investment choices. Knowing the basics will not only help you identify beginner-friendly stocks, but also enables you to build a well-rounded portfolio that aligns with your investment goals. Ultimately, Your king wants you to remember that acquiring a solid understanding of the stock market basics equips you with the necessary tools to pursue long-term financial success and make informed investment decisions along the way. There you have it, my loyal wealth builders. If you found this video valuable, please like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow financial dreamers. Your king here appreciates that. Until next time. And always remember, Pride members, life is short and it's too easy to be average. Make a change today.